But at first I wasn't gonna do like any makeup, but I was like, that would not do Dior justice. Like, we gotta do the full face, the full look. So I'm gonna go ahead and like do my face, and then we will get back on trying the Dior. Like, put some concealer. Pretty much done. Just gotta get. Alright, so face is pretty much done. Now I gotta go ahead and do my lips. So we're gonna go ahead and try the Dior. This is the Rouge Dior, and this is like a satin and velvet couture finish. So we're gonna see how it is. This is a bright red that I don't typically do, but we're gonna see how this goes and whatnot. I might add a lip liner. I'm just gonna apply it first. Let's just apply it and see how it looks without any type of like lip liner, and then if we gotta add lip liner, we'll do that. I just want to say one thing about this, and I know like maybe it's just me, I'm the only person who cares about this, but you know that it has a magnetic like closing. I just love that. Like, you don't have to worry about like your lid coming undone because it's magnetic. It's always going to close. I think it's amazing. I thought it was like amazing, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. This is the red. Okay, let's apply this. Okay. Yeah, so definitely gonna have to add a lip liner, but I do love the application. The application was really, really nice. It was like really smooth and whatnot, but yeah, let me go and add a lip liner. All right, guys, so this is the red. It's still a bit bright for me, but I do love the application. I don't know if it's exactly velvety, but very satiny, and it smells really, really nice. I don't know what you would describe that smell. It's just very clean. I'll say that. It's very, very clean. So I love that. It gives it a bold statement, you know? I feel like if you have like the red nails and then you do the little, you get me? Like, I think that that's like something cute. It gives me powerful woman, powerful queen. You get me? So yeah, I went ahead and added some gloss. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think, but this is, I guess you would say, the final look. See? Yeah, I definitely do like it. I just think for me and like my skin tone and everything, I'm just gonna have to pair it with like different types of lip liners, because just having like just red, it's not for me. Like, I look like a clown if I do that. So darker red girly. Dark reds like the maroons, closer to those shades of dark red, are more for me. I'm happy I tried something out of my like comfort zone. So thank you so much, Dior, for gifting me with this, and I can't wait to keep using it.